Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to create in AutoCAD drawing in weight and thickness. How much uh, provide the particular thickness in every line in AutoCAD drawing. So let's go start the design. So first of all, when I make the particular select this rectangle here. This is rectangle. When I draw this rectangle and make the diameter d enter, then also provide 750 mm distance, then again provide 750. This is make the rectangle. Right now the rectangle I will create the center line. Okay, when again I show you rectangle here, first of all make the d enter, then 750, again enter, 750, again enter, then decide the coordinate it is made, then also select the line here, the line, enter the line, and this is line, again enter, this is make the line. Okay, then I will make the circle here, and I have go to create the all point also. When I make this here particular circle, when I get the decide, make here, look at this is make a simple design. It's like that. When I want get the make simple, again start the circle here, so when again enter, like that, start from here, make this join. Okay, so like that it is make the simple drawing here. When I provide the different color here also, then I get the provide color. So when I select this point and go to trim here, this is trim, apply the trim, and okay, no problem. When I get the Control Z, this is remove the without use in diagram, like this is not use. So here we can see that this is make here, then also make, then also make, then also make. When again if not the trim here, so then directly selected and go to delete. So here selected right now. When I go to select all extend, we are going to extend here. This is extend command, apply the extend and go to extend, also go to extend and also extend here, then again extend. When I show you the circle also, again here this is circle, and when I show you again enter, this is offset. Right now when I get the offset in 5 mm distance, when I get everywhere, when we will extend here in every side. Okay, otherwise I get the okay, right. When I Control Z, when I get the Control Z, I will go to distances, particular some much distance. When I provide the 5 is 20 mm distance, is like 20 mm, then also again 20 mm. Okay, again click this outer side in 20 mm distance, like here. When I get the select this all whole diagram and go to trim here, this is trim, apply the trim. Here the trim, right, apply the trim. So first of all click and enter. This one is trim here. Then I go to trim in particular line, this one. So again this one I have go to trim. Then also I get trim here. Okay, so it is complete. This our sketch right now. When I provide the thickness, so this one is center line. So then I go to provide the thickness. First of all, here the thickness right now, the center line thickness is always provide the 0.13 is sufficient thickness. When again I want get this is the dark thickness, so if I get the much thickness, I have select this circle and go to weight here. This is weight right now, and I want get the 0.35, like this is 0.35, and distance right now this layer is 0.35 and showing this here. Okay, then also I get the provide this is this one is layer, this one I get provide the thickness is 0.09, and also this one is provide thickness is so when I get the select all rectangle here, all circle here, this one and this one, and I go to select layer here, and this is the thickness. When I get the thickness 0.13, and also I get click here, this one is boundary line. So when I get provide the distance here, this one is again I will provide the distance is 30. So it is provide the particular thickness according to presentation of drawing, how much we want get particular thickness and dark line and light line, how to present, they will provide this one. So this is center and get the distance here in 100 mm. It is provide center. Then also I have go to provide color. Same thing, this one is hidden line, and I get the hidden line also. In their distance I will get the provide 150, and also I get provide the color in magenta. So like this one is different color here, and I get dotted line. I have provide particular and get the thickness. This one is here, thickness is like that, and I get the dotted line, and also provide the color is yellow, and they will show you number of quantities 20 in dotted line. Here you can see that. Then also I get the phantom line is our color. So right now I will show you here the line selection and get the phantom line. We will apply. Okay, so this is main object right now, and again show you this is phantom line like that. So when select all line, then I get the provide phantom line here. This is boundary line and provide the thickness is phantom line, and like that phantom line here, and also provide the color is blue, then provide the thickness is 80. So here we can see that our whole diagram has been completed right now. This one is make 4 object in different weight and thickness. I have get the provide this diagram. So thank you for watching and this video, and do like and subscribe our channel.